Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Bubble login problems, app editor and access errors step by step clearly. Open your Bubble app editor. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Select the General section under Settings. Check your app's login settings. Ensure that your app is set to public if you want users to access it without being logged in. If your app is private, confirm that you have configured user roles correctly. Go to the Data tab. Click on User to review user fields. Make sure all required fields for user creation are properly defined. Next, navigate to the API tab. Verify that the API settings are enabled for user authentication. Check if the authentication method aligns with your intended use. Now, return to the main editor. Locate relevant workflows for login actions. Review each workflow step for errors. Ensure that the login action is linked correctly to the user data type. Double-check that all necessary inputs are validated. If you encounter access errors, look at the privacy rules in the Data tab. Adjust privacy settings if certain user roles lack necessary permissions. Then, test the login process in preview mode. Use a test account to identify any issues during the login attempt. If problems persist, check the browser console for error messages. Address any displayed errors that may indicate what went wrong. If using third-party plugins, ensure they are up to date. Consider disabling any plugins temporarily to see if they are causing conflicts. After making changes, refresh the page and retest the login feature. Monitor user feedback closely for any recurring issues. Keep documentation of any changes made for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step